Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
How are you today? I'm fine too, thank you. Okay. Today, before we begin the class, I would like to check the attendance first. So, the name who I call, please raise your hand. Hesti, Siva, Tori,
Present.
Giana, Gadis, Isma, Iwa, Nadia, Ida, Tori, Fitri. Oke, hadir semua ya. Oke. Before we begin, please, who the leader in this class? Tori, can you lead your friend to playing together?
Okay, sir. So before we start the class, let's pray together. Begin. Please.
Okay, for the next agenda is singing national anthem Tanah Airku ya. Okay, Miwa, can you lead your friend to sing Tanah Air?
Stand up, please.
Please don't sing. Please, I ask you to take a deep breath. Okay. Take a position with the comfortable seat. Okay, and get ready to learn.
Yeah.
Oke, teman-teman, di sini pertemuan kali ini kita akan belajar tentang bagaimana menulis prosedur teks. Di antaranya adalah kalian nanti akan mengidentifikasi struktur dan languages of a procedural text, and then you have to analyze example procedural text through a mini lesson and video, and you have to make a project with origami paper, and you have to write down the step clear. Okay? Okay. Have you ever searched for tutorial on YouTube?
Yes.
Why do we need clear step?
To easy understand when we are make something.
Okay,
Step
Iwan.
by step.
Yes, betul.
For easier to follow the instructions.
Oke, betul sekali ya, Mira dan Gadis. Nah, jadi, oke, how can we write clear and effective steps to help someone complete a task?
How?
Bagaimana cara kita menulis step yang jelas dan efektif?
Maybe with correct structure
Oke, terus ada lagi?
to the language features.
Apa aja language teacher? Ada yang tahu?
Action verbs.
Ya, ada lagi? Oh, kalian belum belajar ya? Oke, nah hari ini kita bakal belajar tentang itu semua ya. And what happens if one step and what happens if one step is missing or unclear? Do you know?
Fail.
Ada lagi? Ya mungkin itu ya, tidak akan sempurna hasilnya. Oke. Jadi what is procedural text? Ada yang tahu?
The text that consists of instructions or tutorials to make something new.
Ya betul ya. Jadi a procedural text is a type of text that explain how to do something, how to make something, or how to use something in a clear and logical order. And then the purpose wants to read. Sorry.
Okay. The purpose of the procedure text is to give instruction so that the reader can do or make something correctly and successfully.
Okay, this is the example. Wants to. Gimana?
Okay, for the examples of procedure text, the first one is how to make an origami board, and then how to wrap a gift, and the last is how to use rice cooker.
Oke, lanjut kita ke generic structures. Yang pertama ada goals. Ada yang mau baca? SD, boleh.
Starter. Go. The go tells what will be done. The verse is written in the one sentence and often start with how to blah blah blah. For example, how to use camera.
Oke, selanjutnya ada material. Material tells the tools or ingredients needed. Written in a list, no verbs are used. Sometimes this part is optional if no material are needed. And for the example is a square piece of paper, color paper option. Nah, selanjutnya step. The step explain this process step by step. For example, written in the correct order, use imperative verb and use sequencing verb. Nah, this is the language features. The first one is about imperative verbs and clear and simple sentence. Clear and simple. Ini simple present tense, sorry. And sequencing verb. Oke, jadi imperative verb adalah digunakan untuk memberikan instruksi seperti fold, cut, turn, open, press, and grab. And ini adalah simple present tense ya teman-teman. Mohon maaf keliru. Jadi procedure text use the simple present tense because the instructions are general. For example, fold the paper carefully, turn the paper over. And use sequencing words. Sequencing words shows the order of steps. Common sequencing words is first, then, next, after that, and finally. And the last one is about clear and simple sentence. The sentence should be short, clear, and easy to understand. Avoid long or confusing sentences. Okay, this is for the example how to make an origami board. You can read this. And for the tips is about write the steps in the correct order, use imperative verb, use sequencing verb, make the instruction clear and simple. Okay, now watch this video. What do you get from this video?
How to make a rabbit from origami paper.
Okay. Stepnya paham?
Paham.
After watch the video, I will ask you to make a group, 3 group. Okay? Okay. Now choose one person to be a leader. Then the leader please come forward. Okay, now before you sebelum kalian mempraktekkan saya akan membagikan informasi. Kamu red berapa? Oh, red ya. Blue ya.
So the first step is fold the origami.
Okay guys, you have to do with the same step by step.
Fold. So you fold you have to pay attention to this edge, and then you just put this like this. Yeah. Yeah. And then you can. Here.
Good job, guys. The first one,
Yes, sir.
we're going for round.
Two.
What is this? Yes.
Just like a hot dog, a hot dog goblin head. Is it? Bear? Still bear? And then you fold like this, like what is it? You know?
It's a monkey.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a
No, it's like Donald Duck. Quack quack.
But it's so cute, you know. What do you think about this?
See?
What's down?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, so cute.
But it's not symmetric.
It's okay. You have to use a pen to draw the eyes and
Yeah. It's like a gorilla, you know. See? Come on.
Okay. After that,
It's
Wang, wang. Okay. Let's draw. Iya. Bukan. Dia punya. Kamu kan lagi lihat. Pokoknya di sana.
Did she has a comment? Yeah, have you done? Oh my god. So cute. No, it's yeah. Why you gaping? Yeah, but it's so cute. She has a I kasih mata panjang ya. Eyelash, a long eyelash.
Atau
Have you done? Just drawing. What do you want?
I want to draw some lines that I
Alright. Everyone finish? Finish yeah? Okay. Now I would like for you guys to discuss with your group. Then you have to write down in this worksheet. Okay, this for the first group, second group, and third group. Please discuss with your friend, alright? Then one group presenting to the in front of the class.
Finish.
Finish.
Yes.
We waiting for your friend ya.
Yes, sir. Finish. Okay, done. Okay, now one, two, please come forward to presenting the final writing. All right. Come forward, please. Yo.
Hi everyone.
So, yes, it is how to make a form from origami paper. The goal is to create an animal fox from origami paper. And then the material we use origami and paste to draw the face. Next.
Okay, for the step is the first one is fold the origami into triangle, and then next fold small triangle to the middle, flip the corner to the center, and finally draw the face using pen. And then for the reflection,
First, what was the easiest step to do? First,
yeah.
and what was the most difficult step? Why? We chose the third step because it's confusing when we want to flip the corner of
Yeah.
the paper.
Yeah.
And the third is what did you learn from this activity? We learned about how to make a fox using origami paper.
Okay.
Okay.
Give applause, please. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys, what do you check from this learning?
Joyful.
Then, what about make origami?
It's so fun. It's so fun.
It's so fun.
It's interesting.
And but what do you get from this learning, the material?
You know, how to make some step by step instruction.
By
Yeah.
assumptions.
Okay. Okay. This is the conclusion from this learning. Anyone who's want to do? Anyone?
Okay, for this one composition, first group next is a lecture displays how to make something through clean and roll all their steps. It made the popular six with like leaders today, so they can follow instructions correctly and achieve the intended goal. A good first group next consists of a goal, materials, and steps, and using interactive words, second words, and simple present tense. By writing the analytical present text, students can help others understand and complete tasks successfully.
Oke, nah jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman. Oke, Torik, the class is done and you have to lead your friend to pray together.
Okay, before we end the class, let's pray together, saying Hamdalah together.
But when you want to leave this class, I would like to ask question. Who's the person that can answer my question? You can leave this class. Okay? Okay. What is procedure text? That is?
Procedure text is the text that explains how to make something new.
Alright. That is, you can leave this class.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Then do you get from this learning? Okay, Nida.
I get new words and like sequence and how to make some origami stuff.
Okay. You can leave this class. Then, what is the structures of procedural text? Okay, you are.
Okay, the chapter of the text is the first goals, materials, and step by step.
Okay, meanwhile you can leave this class. And what is sequencing verb? Okay, Tori.
Sequencing words is how we describe or give the step by step.
Okay, you can leave this class. Tolong jelaskan kembali pembelajaran hari ini. Yeah. Thank you all. You can leave